Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Geekom A7 Mini PC, a compact powerhouse designed for both creativity and productivity. Let's explore what makes this mini PC stand out in the crowded market. First off, let's talk about the design. The Geekom A7 boasts a premium all-metal casing that not only looks sleek but also feels robust. It's compact, measuring just 112.4 x 112.4 by 37 mm, making it perfect for those looking to save desk space or even mount it discreetly on a wall. Despite its small size, it's surprisingly lightweight yet durable. Now, onto its features. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, this mini PC packs a punch. Whether you're into video editing, graphic design, or gaming, it handles intensive tasks smoothly. It supports up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and offers versatile storage options with an M.2 SSD slot supporting up to 2 TB, ensuring you have ample space for your files and applications. Performance-wise, the Geekom A7 impresses with its AMD Radeon Graphics 780M, which delivers solid performance for its size. It breezes through everyday tasks and handles demanding applications, like video editing software and photo editing tools without breaking a sweat. Gaming-wise, it can handle mid-range settings well, though high-end gaming might require some settings adjustments. Connectivity is where the A7 shines. It features a wide array of ports including USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type AC, HDMI 2.0, and an SD card slot, catering to the needs of professionals who require fast data transfer and versatile connectivity options. It also supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring you stay connected seamlessly. Given its powerful internals, cooling is crucial, and the Geekom A7 doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a Geekom 4.0 cooling system, featuring a large top-mounted fan and side venting, which effectively keeps temperatures in check even under heavy loads. To sum it up, the Geekom A7 Mini PC is a solid choice for anyone looking for a compact yet powerful computing solution. Whether you're a creative professional needing performance for editing or a gamer wanting a space-efficient setup, this mini PC delivers on all fronts. Its premium build, impressive performance, and versatile connectivity make it a worthy investment. That wraps up our review of the Geekom A7 Mini PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.